The name is Envelope Detector. Okay, now we are the topic of AM deduction. AM deduction. Envelope detector. Envelope detector. Envelope detector. Again, this envelope detector is a asynchronous detector. This is the asynchronous system, asynchronous receiver. This is asynchronous. Very important. This is exam la கேட்டிருக்காங்க 1 mark la. Envelope detector வந்து synchronous or asynchronous. Envelope detector is a asynchronous. Again, the name itself indicates envelope detector. That means I am having ED envelope detector. ED envelope detector. If you are giving your AM signal, then directly it will give you the M of T. How it is giving M of T? Just envelope. Just if you trace the envelope, that itself is the message signal. Again, in the last class, we have seen AM envelope. Okay. This is the AM envelope. What they are saying, this envelope itself is actually the shape of the message signal. If you carefully observe, this envelope itself is the shape of the message signal. That means you just trace the peak values, envelope values. Just if you trace the envelope values, now we have to design the circuit. It has to trace only the envelope values. Okay, then directly we can get the message signal. Directly we can get the message signal. Okay, so that is the envelope detector. Okay, now we have to design envelope detector. It is very simple. It consists of one diode, one resistor, and one capacitor. This consists of one diode, one resistor, and then one capacitor. This is the envelope detector circuit. To this envelope detector, I am giving the AM signal, that is S of T. Now we are in the AM detection. This S of T is indicating AM signal. Now what will be the output of this envelope detector? Simply M of T. Simply M of T. Okay, so now what is the purpose of this circuit? So it will simply trace the positive envelope. It will simply trace the positive envelope. That is the job of this circuit. Again, one more thing is there here. What must be the value of R and C? What must be the value of R and C? That is another important question that will be mostly asked in the exam. So now we will define the time constant of this circuit is tau is simply R into C. Time constant is RC. You know, time constant is function of time, that is unit is seconds. Time constant. So now what must be the value of RC? Now in S of T, we are having two frequencies. One is FC and another one is FM. That envelope varies with FM. But inside the envelope, signal is varying with FC. There are two signals. Okay, the envelope is varying with FM, but inside the envelope, signal is varying with FC. Then there is some relation between the RC value and these FC and FM. Now somebody tell me, my tau has to be in between the range, some range, in between some values. Can somebody tell me what is the time for FC? That is 1 by FC. 1 by FC is the time of FC, carrier signal. What is the time of message signal? That is 1 by FM. Can anybody tell me here in the left side I have to put 1 by FM or 1 by FC? If I want to satisfy this equation, I already know one condition. FC is greater than FM always. Okay, now to make the time, I have to write it in the reverse. Okay, here I have to write 1 by FC or FM. Anybody? I have to write any any one of FC or FM. Please think over it. If FM is small,
1 by FC, sir.
Yes, FC. Because FC is larger, when you write it in the reverse, then that will be smaller. Smaller, we will write it on the left side. So like that, you can remember. So this is 1 by FC, then 1 by FM is the formula. This is very important formula. Mostly you will get a question based on this. 1 by FC, that means tau has to be in between 1 by FC That means greater than 1 by fc and then less than 1 by fm. This is the important formula. Okay, you have to choose tau in such a way it is greater than 1 by fc but less than 1 by fm. Okay, if you choose, if you are not following this condition, okay, you cannot recover back m of t. You cannot recover back. Okay, so இதெல்லாம் வந்து நம்ம சர்க்கியூட்ல எடுத்து சிமுலேஷன் சாஃப்ட்வேர் இதெல்லாம் கொடுத்தோம்னா நம்ம இதெல்லாம் வந்து அனலைஸ் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். ப்ராக்டிகலி ஆல்சோ, theoretically also we can analyze, but that itself will take 1 hour. Okay, why it has to be greater than 1 by fc or less than 1 by fm. Next, this is envelope detector and then asynchronous technique. இதுதான் சர்க்கியூட்டை, அந்த சர்க்கியூட்ல ஆர் அண்ட் சி வேல்யூ எப்படி சூஸ் பண்ணணுன்றதுக்கு ஒரு கண்டிஷன் இருக்கு. அதுதான் வந்து இந்த condition. With common sense you can remember this formula. No need of confusion.